Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have my boys in the kitchen again, but we're going to be focusing on Dana and all the things that he loves. So he's very into fitness, as you guys know, and he loves to play basketball. So I figured, why not do something that can help keep his energy up? So we're gonna do some yummy energy bites. Dad. Yeah. You gonna eat them?
No, he don't get no energy bites.
You can't eat them yet. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do this first. So we have some almond butter, some dates, salt, cinnamon, oats, and raisin. Why don't you tell me about your favorite cookie?
Oh, my favorite cookie is an oatmeal raisin cookie. Especially, I don't know if I can say where from. Can I say Subway? Well, I said Subway. Subway has the best oatmeal raisin cookies, especially when they're hot. I know that's random and weird, but they're amazing.
There you go. Okay, so we're gonna do the almond butter and the dates first. So put those two in there.
Dang.
Yeah, get it on in there.
Dang. Come on, come on, come on. There we go.
And then the dates, yep. And then the salt. So the almond butter is the protein for these bites, and then the dates are for a little bit of sweetness without having to add like some real sugar or some maple syrup. It just adds a natural sweetness.
What's this for?
Salt, so it can balance the sweetness.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Cinnamon. Okay, so now put the lid on. Spin it, we're gonna spin it.
Do I need to hold it down or anything?
No, it's locked, it's locked. We're gonna puree this until it's like a paste. Okay, so keep your eye on it.
So I got a long ways to go?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have to, yeah, it's sticky. Leave the size. Oh, it smells good though. Back on.
Sorry.
Go ahead. Lock it, yeah. So we are going to pulse the almond butter and the dates. Keep going.
Oh, I can go now?
Yeah, it needs to be smooth. A little bit smoother, yeah. It's okay if there's a couple of chunks in there, it's all right. So now we're gonna add the raisins. And then the oats. And then you're gonna pulse this too, because you don't want to destroy all the oats. Okay, so just a couple of times. Make sure it all gets incorporated. One more. Boom. Got it.
That's it.
Okay.
Oh, we don't
we're
really
gonna take our hands. Yep.
Oh, snap.
So now you can take it off. Spin it.
Which way?
There you go.
That way.
And then we're gonna just make it into like this. Get it all up the sides. Yeah, take a spoonful and then roll it. They make about 12, so you wanna make like a small, maybe it's smaller. Right. Ta-da, like such. So Dana likes to work out every day. As opposed to me, I haven't worked out in a couple months.
False, we worked out a couple times.
Okay, a few times, but not like we used to. So when we were dating, we would go almost every day. And if we weren't together, we were going every day, almost every day, separately. But he wakes up religiously at 4:30 in the morning, right? Right? Yeah, oh yeah.
He knows that because he takes my spot in the bed.
That is absolutely correct. So he'll get up in the morning, and then if he's awake, he'll go get him and bring him into the room with me, and then we sleep the extra few hours, and then he comes home, and then we all spend time together.
I think I made it too big.
That's a little, yeah, I need some of that, actually. Let me take some.
My bad.
You took all the raisins. That's where they all went. It's been really hard for me to get back into the swing of working out like I used to, just because my nights aren't complete full nights of sleep anymore. So getting up in the morning has been kind of difficult. Huh? Yeah. Tell them how much you stay up.
Yeah, he's the reason we're not sleeping. I play basketball with my friends every now and then, but religiously, like every single day, not anymore. Those days are behind me. Shout out to DJ. But I still play for fun, and I just love it. So it's something that will never get old. It's basketball.
Yeah. I love watching you play.
Yeah.
I really do.
Yeah, when she was pregnant, she used to come just sit at the gym and watch me play.
And I would hold the basketball that was like the same size as my stomach. So that was kind of fun.
Okay, let's wash our hands.
Okay.
Me and Sticky. Tell them that they're good. They are really good cold. All you gotta do is throw them in the fridge and they'll chill for a little bit. You don't have to bake them. It's real simple. Bam. And then you got your energy bites.
Ew, I love you.
And I got lipstick all over. Dang.
Oh. Okay, you ready to try?
Yeah, I need some energy. Let's get it.
Okay. All right.
You gonna feed me?
Do you want
Feed
all
me.
Okay, all at once. You just.
It reminds me of the oatmeal raisin cookie almost.
That's why we came up with the recipes, so you like them. Good. No bake, and they're cold and delicious. And they're easy to travel with. You could take these in the car super easy. Just put them in a little bag and go. Yeah. Okay, you guys, thank you for being here. I always love having you. Let me know if you guys have any other cool snacks that are no bake or just anything healthy, pre, post workout. Let me know in the comments. And as always, please make sure to subscribe. Say thank you to my boys. Bye.
Yeah.